everyone. Welcome back to our English Learning Podcast. I am Emily, and I am so excited to be here with all of you today.
And I am George. Welcome, everyone. Today's episode is going to be super interesting because we are going to explore two powerful English tenses that talk about the future.
That's right, George. Today, we are learning about future perfect and future perfect continuous tense.
These two tenses may sound a little scary, but don't worry. By the end of this podcast, you will understand them easily and you will be able to use them confidently.
We are going to learn their meanings, structures, examples, common mistakes, daily life conversations, and fun situations.
So whether you are a student, a language learner, or someone who wants to improve English speaking skills, this episode is for you.
Get ready, take your notes, and let's begin our exciting journey into the future.
George, let's start with future perfect tense. What exactly is it?
Future perfect tense is used to talk about an action that will be completed before a specific time in the future.
So it talks about something that will finish in the future?
Exactly. Imagine you have a deadline. You are looking ahead and saying, before that future time arrives, this action will be finished.
That makes sense. It is like looking into the future and checking what will already be completed.
Perfect explanation, Emily.
Let's look at the structure. The structure of future perfect tense is subject plus will have plus past participle form of verb.
For example,
I will have completed my homework by 8 p.m.
This means my homework is not completed now, but by 8 p.m. in the future, it will be completed.
Exactly.
Another example, I will have finished my book by tomorrow.
Great. It means tomorrow comes and the book is already finished.
So the important idea is completion before a future time.
Yes. Words like by tomorrow, by next week, by next year, before, and by the time with are often used with future perfect.
Let's make it more practical. George, give us some daily life examples.
Sure. By next month, I will have saved enough money for my trip.
Nice. The saving will be complete before next month.
Another one. By Friday, she will have finished her project.
Great. The project will be completed before Friday arrives.
Here is another. By the end of this year, they will have learned a new skill.
That sounds like a great goal.
Yes, future perfect is useful when we talk about goals, plans, achievements, and deadlines.
Students use it a lot too.
Absolutely. For example, by graduation, I will have improved my English.
Wonderful example. Let's imagine a conversation between two friends.
Good idea.
Friend 1 says, "What will you do after 5 years?"
Friend 2 says, by then, I will have started my own business.
Nice. Another, "I will have traveled to many countries by that time."
Exactly.
The future is full of possibilities.
Yes, and future perfect helps us describe those future achievements.
Now let's talk about mistakes learners often make.
The biggest mistake is forgetting have.
Example? Incorrect.
I will completed my work. Correct. I will have completed my work.
Good point.
Another mistake is using the wrong verb form. Incorrect. She will have finished the task. Correct. She will have finished the task.
Because after have, we need the third form of the verb.
Exactly.
Now let's move to future perfect continuous tense.
This tense is also about the future, but it focuses on duration.
Duration means how long something continues.
Exactly. Future perfect continuous describes an action that will continue for a period of time before a specific future point.
So future perfect focuses on completion, while future perfect continuous focuses on the length of time.
Perfect.
Let's learn the structure.
The structure is subject plus will have been plus verb plus ing.
Example, I will have been studying for 3 hours by 9 p.m.
This means at 9 p.m., the studying will continue for 3 hours.
Great! Let's practice. By next year, I will have been working here for 5 years.
The person is talking about the duration of work.
Exactly.
Another example. She will have been teaching for 10 years by 2030.
Nice.
Another. They will have been waiting for 2 hours when the bus arrives.
The waiting continues until that future moment.
Now comes the most important comparison.
Yes, many learners confuse these two.
Let's make it simple.
Future perfect asks, what will be completed?
Future perfect continuous asks, how long will something have been happening?
Example. Future perfect. I will have written 5 pages by 5 p.m.
The focus is the completed pages.
Future perfect continuous. I will have been writing for 2 hours by 5 p.m.
The focus is the time spent writing.
Both are about the future, but the focus changes.
George, let's play a quick quiz.
I'm ready.
Complete this sentence. By tomorrow, assignment.
The answer is will have.
Correct.
My turn. By next year, she, here for 10 years, have been living.
The answer is will.
Excellent.
Another one. By 7 p.m., they will have dinner.
Eaten.
Great job!
Let's imagine our future.
Okay.
In 5 years, I will have learned many new things.
And I will have improved my communication skills.
I will have traveled to new places.
I will have met interesting people.
We are using future perfect because these are completed future achievements.
And if we talk about continuous actions, I will have been practicing English for many years.
Exactly.
Let's create a small story.
Great idea!
A student named Alex has a dream. Alex wants to become a great speaker.
By next year, Alex will have completed many English courses.
Alex will have practiced speaking every day.
By the end of the year, Alex will have improved a lot.
Alex will have been practicing English for hundreds of hours.
This shows both completion and duration.
What a motivating story.
Here are some easy tips.
Tip number 1. Future perfect, completed before future time.
Tip number 2. Future perfect continuous, continuing for a period before future time.
Tip number 3. Remember the formulas. Future perfect, will have plus past participle.
Future perfect continuous, will have been plus verb ing.
Practice makes you better. Wow, today's journey was amazing.
Yes, we learned that future perfect helps us talk about completed future actions.
And future perfect continuous helps us talk about future actions with duration.
Remember, learning grammar is not about memorizing only. It is about using language in real conversations.
We hope this podcast helped you understand these tenses in a simple and fun way.
If you enjoyed today's episode, don't forget to support our channel.
Hit the subscribe button and join our English learning family.
Like this video if you found it useful.
And share this podcast with your friends who want to improve their English.
Your support motivates us to create more helpful lessons.
Thank you so much for listening.
Keep practicing, keep learning, and keep believing in yourself.
We will meet you again in our next English lesson.